Hi, in this video, I will show you how to watch Netflix with a VPN. Well, is there anything better than kicking back after a long day, grabbing your favorite snacks, and just hitting play on Netflix? I don't know about you, but Netflix is my ultimate go for winding down. So let's just say you wanted to watch a specific movie or series, but then again, you're having a hard time looking for it on Netflix because it's not available in your country or it's not available in your location. So today I'm going to introduce to you this VPN. This is what we call NordVPN. Using NordVPN for watching Netflix offers several significant advantages, especially if you're looking to access a wider range of content from different countries. Well, if you want to know more about NordVPN, you just have to check in the description down below for links to review and special discounts on NordVPN. And well, unlike other VPNs, NordVPN works in censored regions. It supports for Netflix and other streaming services. It offers 24/7 customer support. And as a conclusion, NordVPN is one of the most reliable VPNs for watching Netflix. Talking about how to set up NordVPN, you just have to go to any web browser and then search for NordVPN, download or install. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. You can just simply type NordVPN, install or download, and then click the very first link that you can see. You have your choices if you're using Mac OS or if you're using Windows. Everything is up to you. Just pick the right one for your device. After that, you just have to run as administrator and then launch this VPN. Also, when it comes to Netflix, just go to any web browser and then type Netflix, click the very first link here, log into your account, and then search for that specific movie that you want to watch. Let's just say this movie is just available in United Kingdom or in India. Okay, so you're living in somewhere in Asia or somewhere far away from these countries. So what you're going to do is you just have to open your NordVPN, log in your account, search for that specific country or location, let's just say United Kingdom, connect to one of its servers, and then go back to Netflix, search that specific movie or series. Then you will see that you will find that series or movie because you have changed your location, country, or IP address. As easy as that. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to use this NordVPN. So again, with no bandwidth limitation and access to over 5,000 services worldwide, NordVPN ensures that you can enjoy Netflix without interruptions while maintaining privacy. Whether you are traveling abroad or want to explore different Netflix content libraries, NordVPN offers a seamless streaming experience. Okay, so feel free to watch that movie right here. If you encounter some problems, just feel free to go to NordVPN contact service or contact support. Then you can ask for a help or email them with your concern. And aside from this customer service, like 24/7 customer support, if you go back to NordVPN settings, you can see there features like kill switch, and the other one is the split tunneling. Now, talking about the kill switch is a security feature designed to protect your data and privacy in case the VPN connection unexpectedly drops. When the kill switch is enabled, it will automatically block all internet traffic or specific app traffic until the VPN connection is reestablished. And about split tunneling, it will allow you to choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which use your regular internet connection outside the VPN tunnel. So, imagine browsing the web without worrying about who's tracking your every move, unlocking content from anywhere in the world, and doing all this with lightning fast speed. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what you get with NordVPN. So I really hope that you like it. Thank you for watching.